will create the login form for our stock tracking system. Okay, let's start. First, we will go again to create, then table design. We will create first the table for our login. So we'll put user ID, the type is auto, then first name, here last name, $50. I will put the caption. Then username, then password. Then input mask will put password so that no one can read the password. TBL login. Okay, then next we'll create a form. Then we'll go to design, we'll add text box, user name, I will make it stuck. I will adjust to 14. Okay, here also. Then I'll copy. Then we'll add button. So 2 buttons. This one is cancel. Then CMD cancel. Format. Will match our and make it wider. Then I will copy. I will align top, then here align to the right. Then here put CMD login. Then caption is login. I will exchange right, and here also tap. And we'll save. frm login. Then here we'll go to data input mask. Here we'll put password. Then we will rename this text box TXTUsername, and here we'll change to TXT password. We'll make it here pop up dialog. We'll remove this one. Then here okay, we'll adjust. Make it center, auto center. Okay, now we will put the code for our login. First, cancel. We'll go to on click. Then here we'll put DoCmd.Quit, then acQuitSaveAll. So this will close our database automatically. We'll open, try, lock. Login. Then here on click event, first we need to declare db as DAO.Database, then rst as DAO.Recordset, then strSQL as string. Now we'll put here set db nothing, then set rst was nothing to close. Here we will use a trim function in order to remove some unnecessary space. So first we'll use f, then trim, then Me.txtUserName.Value, then and vbNullString equal, then we'll type again vbNullString, then we'll put a message box to prompt. Example, if the user forgot to type the username, we will put some message that username should not be left blank, so it must be filled. Okay, message box prompt, then equal, so we'll put the message. User name should not be left blank, so this is necessary. Then we'll put some button style, which is the VB information. Then we'll put title for our message box, user here double quote, then we'll put user name required. Then put equals, then Me.txt username.set focus. So example, if you will leave username blank, so this message box will appear. Then it shows the title, username required. Then after that one, our cursor will be focused on the username in order for us to fill that text box. Okay, then exit cell. Then another, we'll copy, we'll close first this one, and F, I will copy because the same with our password also. Here, Me.txt password, then here we will change to password should not be left blank. Then here our message box title will put also is password required. Then here Me.txt password set focus. So now, in order to check if login details are correct, so we need to put some statement SQL here in order to check our entries in our login table. Here, TBL login. Then here str, then SQL, then we'll to select query. So select first name from TBL login, where user name equal, then we'll put the double quote, 3 times double quote, then and now we will concatenate with our username text box. So Me.txt username.value then and again double quote 3 times, then we'll put here and password, then equal, then double quote 1 2 3, then the text box, which is Me.txt password.value, then and we'll put double quote 1 2 3 and 4. So this is the query in order to check if login details are correct. Then we'll put set db equal current db, then set rst equal db.open.Recordset, then our SQL strSQL, then if rst.eof, so end of file, then we'll put a message box again, message box prompt, then equal. So if somebody put the username or password which is not matched with the existing record, so this message box will prompt. So incorrect username or password, then try again. Then we'll put the button style, buttons, then equal VB critical, then we'll put the title, then equal login error, then again we'll put our focus on the username, set focus, then else, then message box prompt, then we'll put some greetings. If they enter correctly, so it choose the greetings to the user. We'll put at least hello, then rst.field fields, this one, then 0, then value, then we will concatenate double quote, then period, double quote, then comma, again we'll put the button style, buttons, then equal VB okay only, then title, then equal then login successful. Okay, then I forgot to put end here. If user put the correct username and password, then this message box will prompt. Then this form, our login form, will this one, if our aim login, so will close. So DoCmd.Close acForm, then double quote, if our aim login, double quote, then acSaveAll. Then now we will open this transaction form. DoCmd close acForm, then here DoCmd.open form, then we'll put our form, transaction form, then acNormal, then double quote, again where condition, so we'll not put condition, just blank, then acForm, okay, another acNormal, then NF. So this is the code for our login form. Now we will try. We'll open our login. Then as of now, there's no any entries here. So even if I click login, username should not be left blank. We'll click login, username should not be left blank. So since we did not yet put our user, so I'll put my name here, Kamayo ako, then username Kamayo ako, then password say admin, or I will change here admin for easy to remember. So now we will open our login form. I will put admin, then I will click login. Look, password should not be left blank because I already put the username. What if I put also here password admin, then if I click login, look, username should not be left blank. So if I will type admin, then login, so now hello Kamayo, then our form will be open. Okay, now we'll put our login here in our start file, option, current database, here display form, then login, look, admin, then login. So now this is our transaction form. So what if some user wanted to log in for corresponding username also? So we need to put here the logout button, and also if somebody will close the database, so we need also to add a button to exit the database. Okay, now I will add 2 buttons. I will copy here, log out, CMD log out, and here I will use another. Instead of button, I will use a label. Exit database. Again, I will add another text box in order to put our cursor here. This is our focus, txt focus. Then here, do not make it visible, no, because it gives you an error. So in order to hide this text box, just go to width, then make it 0, 0, height, top 0, then 0. So our txt focus is hidden. Then we'll put a code in our logout button. Here, click, then so we'll put Me.txt focus, so that our cursor in our text box, which is txt focus dot sit focus. Then if message box, so we'll put a message box here. If message box, then we'll put you are about to log out, then are you sure? Then we'll put the button style, which is VB yes no. This is 2 buttons, either to choose yes or no. Then we will concatenate with our style or icon, which is VB information. Then we'll put the title log out. Then we'll put equal VB yes. Then DoCmd dot close. So we will close our current form, which is the transaction form. Then we will open the login. So DoCmd dot open form. Then our form name is if rm login. Then act normal. Then for else, then NF. Okay, we'll try. We'll click this log out. Then are you about to log out? Are you sure? If no, it's nothing. Then click again. If we will click yes, then we'll go to our login, admin, password, admin, login. Then now we will put the code for exit. So this is the label LBL. We'll just rename exit event on click. Then here we'll put also, first we'll put the response here. This is the message box, MSG box. Then we'll put double quote here. Do you want to close this database? So this one always asking to the user in order to confirm the transaction. So again, a double quote here, then VB yes, no, then plus we'll put the exclamation VB, we'll find another VB, okay, question, then quit database. So this is a title. Okay, we'll close. Then if response BB yes, then we'll put application.quit. So we'll close the database, then NF. Okay, there's no error. Again, we'll close, open just to try our login, admin, login. So now we have log out, then try to log in again. Okay, then exit the database. But before that, because user can right click this one, lock. So we need to restrict that one. Here, other shortcut, just only click no, and here must be modal yes, so that if this form will open, they cannot click any object here. Lock, and I cannot right click also. Even our navigation is open, but no one can enter without input the correct username and password. So admin, then login. We'll hide this one to make it clean. Current, then here we'll remove this one, then navigation, then here we'll uncheck, then close, we'll open our lock. It's clean. Again, admin, then login, and now we have the system. Then log out, then click to exit. So this is it. This is how to create the login system. Thank you and God bless.